Hi everyone, I'm Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Welcome to our channel. Today at La Bella Pasta, we are in a mood for panini. We are gonna make grilled chicken paninis. We're gonna put some other toppings along with the chicken. So we're gonna start by seasoning with salt and pepper. We're gonna grill, pan fried real quick, and then we're gonna think about the other toppings we're gonna use to assemble our panini. Next, we are gonna cook the chicken breast on a skillet over medium-high heat with some olive oil. Just a drizzle of olive oil. Chicken is ready, it's cooling down a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm sauteing some mushroom with salt and pepper, olive oil, and sage. The combination with sage and mushroom is amazing. It's very, very good. If you never tried, you should. You're gonna love it. Done. This is gonna be part of our toppings. Another thing, when making paninis, if you wanna cut down the extra fat, it's very nice to add some grilled veggies like zucchini or mushroom or even tomatoes, but tomatoes is a little bit watery, but zucchini and mushroom add the moist to the panini without a lot of extra fat. So we have all our toppings ready to go. So we have grilled chicken, sauteed mushroom with sage, arugula, and cheddar cheese. The bread, I chose Italian bread. It has a nice crust on the outside, and any crusty bread will do it. I'm gonna cut the chicken in the bias. And when assembling a panini, make sure that you don't load it with the toppings, okay? Because you don't want nothing worse than when you're gonna bite into a panini and all the toppings start to drip and falling apart your sandwich. That is not a nice panini. Go easy on the quantities and you are gonna enjoy the panini much, much better. Okay, this should do for 2 paninis. I am not gonna use any sauce or mayo, any kind of the stuff, because I'm gonna add a little bit of balsamic glaze to the arugula, and that's gonna help with to moist a little bit more. I'm gonna start with the cheese at the bottom. I'm coming with the chicken. See, don't need to go crazy about it. I'm gonna add some mushroom. Actually, I'm gonna put the arugula first. just a glaze. I adore balsamic glaze. Some mushroom. That's it. I'm gonna assemble another one and then we're gonna take it to the panini presser. The panini presser is already hot. I have here a little paper towel with some olive oil on top. With some olive oil, and I'm just gonna apply this on the panini presser. This will avoid to add some more extra unnecessary fat on your bread. This and like that. We're gonna wait, let's do this magic here. We're gonna wait for a few minutes and see. As soon as we see the grilled marks on top of the bread, the panini is ready. Let's check it out. See, it's crunchy on the outside. There's nothing drizzling, nothing running out of the sandwich. That's what we're looking for. Just a few more minutes. Heat. Right? Perfect. That's it. And this is how we like to have our panini here at La Bella Pasta. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Hit the notification button and you will know when we post something new. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you make the panini because right now we're gonna enjoy this for our lunch here at La Bella Pasta. See you next time. Bye.